In today's world, home security is paramount, and it starts at your front door. August lets you monitor and control your door safely and securely, starting with August Doorbell Cam Pro. August Doorbell Cam lets you see and speak to guests right from your phone.
Ryan!
Max?
Yes, I can see you.
A built-in floodlight and HD color video lets you see your guests day or night.
Hey, it's me.
Sometimes uninvited guests can pay a visit. Anytime motion is detected, a floodlight is triggered and an alert is sent to your phone. And if you miss an alert, don't worry. You can play back the full story later. With August, never sacrifice convenience for security. August Smart Lock lets you and your friends securely lock and unlock the door using the August app. The more physical keys you have, the less secure your house is. Keys can be lost or stolen and then easily copied. August lets you easily create secure temporary keys for your friends, family, or people you trust right on the August app. Grant access for a few weeks, a few hours, or forever. You decide. Once the set time ends, keys are automatically deleted so they can never be reused. Want to know who's coming and going? Activity Tracker lets you know who's coming or going 24/7, so you know when loved ones are home. And with DoorSense, you'll know your door is both closed and locked from anywhere. Never worry if you closed your door again. All August smart locks mount on the inside of your door, so the street view of your door stays the same. Our smart locks use bank-grade encryption for wireless communications, ensuring a secure lock. Make your front door more secure with August. August, the key to your smart home.
Meet Brad. Any minute now, he expects a handyman at his house. But that's alright, he doesn't have to be there to open the door. He has Altro Smart, the next generation smart locks with integrated video doorbell. With Altro Smart, Brad is able to let his handyman in at the touch of a button, right from his phone from anywhere. His Altro Smart locks can also detect when authorized smartphones are near and automatically unlock the door, which means Brad does not have to unlock his door with a key. It just opens when it senses him. Smart, right? Bet you're wondering how the Altro Smart works. It's super simple. Altro Smart's built-in Wi-Fi connects Brad to his home network and enables him to access it remotely from anywhere. Altro Smart comes with motion detection. Brad can be immediately alerted when someone is at his front door. Altro Smart has one-way HD video and two-way audio, and also offers encrypted cloud video backup. Another important feature with the Altro app, he can always know whether or not his wife and kids are home. Yep, looks like they got home safely today. His Altro Smart can even give customized passcodes to all his friends and trusted visitors. Oh, looks like his friend is coming home to watch tonight's game. No worries, Brad sends him a passcode to open the door. Altro Smart, a unique next-generation smart lock with integrated video doorbell. It's smart, secure, and connected. Altro Smart, for total peace of mind and complete control. For you, for your family.
Imagine anyone can install a smart door lock with just one screwdriver. And you have a worry-free door lock that can automatically lock your door right after it's been opened. That's what FIDO offers you, and much more. With FIDO, your finger is your key, avoiding all the hassle of trying to find your misplaced keys. FIDO is designed to be a highly secure and smart lock. It recognizes the door's open status according to the rotation angle of the handle. When FIDO determines that the door is open, it automatically locks the door and keeps unwanted followers outside. If the door lock is vandalized, you will be notified remotely, and the alarm will be triggered immediately. The simple and cable-free design allows it to be installed in just 15 minutes on both left and right-facing doors. On your FIDO app, you can share the unlocking authority with different users remotely and set the time window for unlocking. FIDO records the door opening information in real time and pushes it to the administrator, so you know all historical operation records at any time, anywhere. For the elderly and children with unstable fingerprints, we have designed a dime-sized inductive door card for using with FIDO, or easily activate the lock by Bluetooth. Combining the ergonomic design of the handle and unique fingerprint recognition, FIDO offers the most comfortable unlocking experience. It takes only 1 second to open the door. With 128-bit AES encryption, FIDO effectively prevents counterfeiting and protects your privacy. FIDO is designed by a Red Dot award-winning team, a great interpretation of technology and minimalism. With super low power consumption, FIDO can work for 1 year with just 2 AAA batteries. It alerts you when the battery is lower than the warning line.
Easy and fast. Samsung new push-pull door lock. Just push and pull, as easy as that. It's easy and it's fast. The smartest way to open and close your door. Just one touch with your finger to open the door. It's easy and it's fast. As fast as that. Know when your family comes home. Anytime, anywhere. It's easy and it's fast. The most advanced door opening technology. Make your life easier than ever with peace of mind. Easy and fast. Samsung new push-pull door lock.
Sam and Julia had a nice holiday. Beach, sun, pool, and food. Now they're home. But Sam forgot something. Keymitt is a smart lock, which allows you to open your door with your smartphone. With Keymitt, you can be sure that it fits. We designed it to work with the most common door locks in the US, Europe, and Japan, and it's very simple to install. It's easy. Install our app and lock or unlock your door using your smartphone. You can also share access, see the history of entries, set alarms for unwanted activity, and more using the app. It's convenient. Set the door to unlock using our gesture control feature, and to lock automatically when you are leaving the house. You can also control the lock remotely with the optional Wi-Fi hub. Just place it anywhere within the Bluetooth range of the smart lock. And finally, it's high quality. Made in Germany, we offer the strongest turning force of any smart lock and double the battery life. We are here for you. We stand behind the product 100% and will do whatever it takes. Sure, you are satisfied.